Alright, g'day everyone, Matt from Panda Garage here today, doing a little bit of a quick one. I'm all dressed up, I'm about to go out somewhere, but I thought I really want to get this job done and I want to show you guys exactly how easy this is to do. So today we are changing out these old, dated looking, crappy wiper blades for a new set of wiper blades. Now these are the FLEXI sort of Euro spec wiper blades. Most new cars are coming out with them now, but they're one continuous piece of plastic and they sort of do 10 times a better job than these do. These ones were falling apart anyway and I really needed to change them. It's one of the last missing pieces on the Monaro that I need to do. So I pulled the trigger. Now these ones, usually I think they cost about 30 bucks Australian at most speed shops, so like Super Cheap Auto and Autobarn. But today I actually bought these from a website called Direct Auto Spares. These guys are on, not only on the internet, but they're on eBay as well, and this is where I got these from. So normally you buy them for $30 a piece. I bought a set of these for the Monaro for $19. Now that's really good, and you can also check in, you can make sure that you're getting the right ones on their website too. So for a Commodore VT to VZ, they use a 22-inch wiper blade and also a 20-inch wiper blade. Now I've already got the 20-inch one on the car because I couldn't help myself, but this is the old blade, so we're going to change out. I'm going to show you what's in this box. So welcome to Panda Garage. You know what's happening next. Now as you can see, we've got our new wiper blade on here, and it sort of does this sort of flexi turn when it's lifted up. So that's on, it looks really nice and sleek. That's our older style one. We're going to unbox this box right here. So we're going to unbox this one right now, the 22-inch one, and we're going to install it. So I'll show you exactly how to do it on a VT to VZ, Commodore, Monaro, HSV, you name it. Now this does come, what we're going to do first, we're going to lift this up. There's a little clip underneath your wiper blade. Push that out, it slides out just like that. Very, very easily. Now we've removed that. That's the old one, we're getting rid of that. Going to open our new box. Now these are the ones that come from Direct Auto Spares. $19 for a pack, which is awesome. So what you get a bunch of extra clips. These also work for VE Commodores, just depending on your application and also the sizing as well. So I'm just getting rid of a bunch of these clips right now. They will get a fair few of them for these wiper blades. So this is your wiper blade, this is the 22-inch one. There it is. It comes with these protective covers, so we'll get those off. And also the plastic case that protects the blade. So the idea behind these is that they flex onto the window, so they hug all the spots. Now the older style wiper blades, as you would know, they've only got a certain amount of contacts. So they've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 maximum contact points pushing this blade down, whereas this one, the whole thing is pushing down consistently on the window. So this one already comes with the clip that we need. It's like a hook clip, as you can see there. So what we're going to do, we're just going to slide this into place underneath. So it should go under like that, and it will clip into place. If I can get mine to clip into place. Or it might be clipped into place, who knows? Yeah, I think it is. Like that. So it's as straightforward as that. It's literally a hook clip. You slide your new blade over, locks itself into position. I'm just going to double check that this is definitely in position. Like that, which it is. Fantastic. And that's it. That's all you need to do to change your wiper blades. It's pretty simple, and this is a very cheap and cost-effective way of doing it. So you don't have to go and spend 60 something bucks on wiper blades. You can spend 19 for the set, and it's the exact right size for your car. Okay, so that is it for today. Thank you all so much for watching. Pretty straightforward little setup there, so sorry that the video is a little bit shorter, but if you've got any questions at all about how to do it or on other applications of cars, just let me know in the comments below. You can direct message me on Facebook or Instagram, the Panda Garage. Check out all the photos of all the cars, and you can write comments on there, and it's a real community thing. So appreciate you all for watching. Thank you all for subscribing. If you haven't already, subscribe, hit the little bell. It'll tell you when videos are going up. So until next time, guys, my name's Matt. This Panda Garage. That's Maryland, finally complete. I'll see you all next time.